Welcome, today I'm showing how to hide your photos in your gallery in your Redmi Note 11 Pro. First of all, open your gallery application. It's standard application on this phone. Now got it, tap. And now here I've got 4 photos. For example, I wanna hide these 2 photos, for example. And now press and hold like this and select, one more time. And select, for example, these 2 photos. Now on the bottom we got add to album button, tap it and choose here private album. To view the items you made private, swipe down in albums, tap OK. Here we got a message that need sync into our Xiaomi Cloud account, so tap it, tap OK. Now we need to set up our privacy password. For example, I'm like this and confirm, tap next. Now need add our Xiaomi account, tap add. I am logged in with my Google account, so I confirm this and tap sync in with Google. You can sync in with your email, phone or Facebook, for example, like. Now wait a second for loading. Here we got a message that download item. Okay, tap continue and go back. And now we hide our photo. And now go to our albums. Not now. Press and hold like this. And here we got a message, release to open private folder. So release, tap OK. Enter our privacy password. Cancel. And here we got our hidden photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.